Hi guys, this is Raksh. Very special customer with a very special project. Before we show the car, I'd like to thank him for his patience, cooperation, and I think because of that, we got fantastic result. And
no, I think thank you, Shahid. It means a lot because I don't think I've found anyone, because before I had a thought that I should give my car to Motormind. I did a lot of R&D about people who actually do up the modifications, and trust me, the R&D started from Agra, that's where I stayed, till Delhi, Bombay. And the best I could find was...
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
So guys, Kalvi, are you ready?
Yes!
What do you think?
Lovely.
Thank you, man. So it's completely transformed. How do you like the character of the car?
Lovely.
Thanks to you, gave us plenty of time. Because
It's a brilliant design. Brilliant design.
okay, we also have. So these are all custom DRLs. They have your indicators lined up like that. It's a very linear design.
Yeah.
It's not very fluid.
Yeah, but it's very aggressive.
Yeah, it's very linear. At the same time, it has a lot of aggression. We breathe in all the original functionalities of the car. So there is no issue. It's overheating. There's plenty of air going into your radiator. Yeah. So why don't we have a look at the rear?
Oh, we got a spoiler!
Yeah, and spoiler with the light element also. Turn it on and show you. Parking light,
The back used to be really pale. It used to look very pale.
We have a very subtle
really pale.
see the airline styling here.
Lovely.
So all that was a bit of a challenge because it depends on the amount of space that is behind the bumper. So that actually allows and controls how your new surfaces flow.
I think this is the first Hexa I've ever done in the entire country. Thank you. Kudos to you, Shahid. Thank you so much. Thank you, Motormind.
We can beat each other.
I want you to be also.
No, I'm definitely. I want to clap for you. So guys, congrats.
For this wonderful design. Thank you so much.
I hope you drive safe. So we wish you happy motoring and welcome to the Motormind channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you everybody.
Raksh is an actor. So are you really happy or you are acting? Because you're good in acting, you know.
No, see, because the reason why I was really excited is because Hexa is a car. No, Hexa is a car where for you the freedom to work on it is very less. Because it is very compactly built, and though they stick onto the old school bumpers and the body,
Yes,
it's very tough to work on a OE condition.
Yeah, that's why we are here. And
Yeah, I mean, this kind of a design approach, trust me, I mean, out of the 6 months, I never came to you. I just
that's one
once.
thing.
So this is the first time I'm seeing
I'm
the car.
really glad that you trusted us. We gave you the freedom because Raksh said that I trust you. You do whatever is right, and I think that's why it turned out so good.
Brilliant. I mean, I think I'm seeing this car after 6 months. I didn't even come to the shop once. Like, not even once.
So that's because he was busy. It's not because
No. Because it's completely trusted, Shahid.
Thank you so much. Personalized license.
Thank you so much.
Rakshit was a star. Now he's a superstar because of this.
Yeah, totally. How many people own this car like this now? Thank you.
Very unique.